had to jump on today because we're tackling something that could seriously impact how you market your business on Instagram. So stick around because understanding this change could make the difference between your content getting seen or getting completely lost in the noise. So here's the big news. Instagram has decided to stop reach as a key metric. Yes, you heard that right. Gone. Instead, they're putting views front and center. This isn't just a little tweak, it's a fundamental shift in how Instagram measures your content's performance. So let's just break this down together so we can understand how it's actually going to affect you and what we can do about it. Reach was all about how many individual accounts saw your content. Views, though, are more like impressions. If someone sees your post multiple times, each of those counts as a view. So it's not just about how many people see your content anymore, it's about how often it's actually being seen. So this might feel like a curveball, but there is some logic to it. In today's world of endless scrolling, getting somebody to come back to your content again and again is no small feat. It's a bit like having a customer who keeps popping back into your shop. They are clearly interested, and that is worth a lot more than just having somebody who glances in the window once. This change brings Instagram more in line with platforms like YouTube, where views and watch time are the big players. So if you're already dabbling in video content, you are in a good spot, but don't worry if you're more about photos and carousels. This new focus on views applies across the board. So what does this mean for your business? First off, let's stop stressing about follower counts. I know it's tempting to watch those numbers like a hawk, but they are not as crucial as they used to be. Instagram's algorithm is working behind the scenes to show your content to people who haven't even followed you yet. The trick is to make content that people want to see more than once. And here's a question: how often do you actually like a post these days? The way we engage with content has shifted, and so should our strategies. Focus on making content that we'll want to rewatch, share, and maybe even save for later. That is where the real magic happens now. This update also makes Instagram's metrics more universal, easier to compare with other platforms. For small business owners and entrepreneurs like us, it means that we can focus more on the quality of engagement rather than just the numbers. Thinking about the bottom line, views are a good indicator of interest. The more times someone sees your content, the more likely they are to engage with your brand, whether that's making a purchase, signing up, or whatever other action you want them to do. Now, I know this might take a little bit of getting used to. We've all been trained to think that follower numbers are the be-all and end-all, but it is time to shift our thinking. Our goal now is to work with the algorithm by focusing on high quality, repeatable content. If you're looking to improve your social media game, I have plenty of videos and links to help you out. If you found this chat useful, why not stick around? Hit that subscribe button and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.